Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in today's video, we are going to see about an online typing job where you have to type articles and the site will be paying you $5 for every article that they are publishing. Okay, so this is actually a very good job or a very interesting job for a lot of people out there. Whether you are doing something, whether you are studying or you are a housewife or you are a retired person, they are not asking any qualification or any age limit is there. So everyone can try this job, and the site name is Articles Insider. Okay. So nowadays we know that there is a lot of this type of article writing jobs and online jobs available. So this is actually one of the best reviewed site. A lot of people has actually reviewed this site and worked in this site and earned money. You can also try this site. You can read the format of articles and you can explore the site. And if you think that you can do this job, you can always try for it. Okay, so first let us explore the site. We'll see what is the type of article, how you have to write the article, and what is the payment and how they are paying the money, what is the condition of selecting the articles. Everything we are going to see in today's video. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So this job anybody can do. There's no age limit or no qualification. So the only thing is that the article that you are writing should be in the given format by this site. Okay, so they have a specific format, and the article that you are writing should be in that specific format. Now you can also do this job from your mobile phone. You don't need to have a laptop. You can also use a mobile phone, but more convenient will be laptop. Okay, so this is the article inside a site. Here, first let us see how the article should look like, what is the format of article and all. Okay, so on top of it, you can see there is a format of article. So first let's see the format of article and then we'll see how to register and all. Okay, registration is actually quite simple. You just have to give your mobile number and also your email ID. So that's the only thing that you have to do for registration. So the first thing we are going to see is the format of article. That is how you have to write the articles and what it should look like. Okay. So format of article we are going to see. So this is the format of article. It should have a title, then there should be an introduction, then there should be body or content, then there is conclusion. Okay. All these things should be present in your article. Now, in order to write this article, there is no requirement of having a very good language knowledge or anything. Basic English language knowledge only you require. And one important thing is that you can only write the articles in English language. Okay, you cannot write in any other language. Only English language they will be accepting. Okay. Now let us see how the title should look like. What is the introduction? What is the rules for introduction, body, and conclusion? Okay. First one, talking about the title, it should have minimum 10 words. Okay. Title of your topic in minimum 10 words. Okay. Then introduction should be 300 to 500 words around. Then now when you are writing the articles, the format they are asking is 10 to 1 order. Means when you are going to Google and you are going to search like the most beautiful places in India, you will get a lot of articles like top 10 beautiful places in India. Like this, you get a lot of articles, right? Or if you go and search for some home remedies for some disease or anything, you will get top 10 home remedies. This type of a lot of articles you see, right? So that is the format, that is a format of articles they are looking for. Here also you have to write the articles in a listing of 10 to 1. Means the article should be consisting of 10 listings. Okay. So, and it should be from 10, 9, 8. Likewise, you have to list various things. Okay. So here, this is the order that you have to follow. See, 10, it should be having a heading and then there should be a paragraph about that 10. Then there is 9. You have to write about that 9th item. Okay. Then there is 8. Likewise, it should list 10 to 1. Okay. So that is the format they are looking for. So you cannot just write an article in whichever format you are going to. You have to follow the specific format mentioned in this site. Okay, only then they'll be accepting the articles. Only then you will get paid. Now, don't think that you are going to just write an article and you will get paid $5. No, it won't happen. First, you have to write the article and you have to submit. Only if they are publishing the article, only then you will get the money. Okay. Next, let us see the registration process. So you can see that I have logged out. I have actually created an account in this site just to verify whether it is working and all. So that you can see now a register icon is here. Then here there is an application form. You have to fill up this application form. Only basic things they're asking: username, first name, last name, email address, then password, confirm password and all. Okay, so they are not asking mobile number. Okay, so that you have to know. You have to give the email ID, password and all. And then you have to click on this I'm not a robot. Just tick these two items and register. Okay, so that is the very basic registration process that you have to follow. So after you have registered, the next step is to submit an article. So first you have to post an article in the given format, and only if they are reviewing and if they are submitting, then they will be accepting further articles. Okay, so you can try multiple times. Only if your article is getting accepted, then you can further submit, and if they are publishing the article, only then you will get the payment. Okay, so this is the place where you are going to write an article. You have to give a title and then you have to write the articles here in the given format. Okay, so you have to keep this thing in mind, that you have to write the articles in the listing form. There is 10:1 listing form. Okay, then below they have given some things regarding how they will be accepting and everything. So first you are going to submit the article to this site. They'll be reviewing your article, and if the article is getting selected within 72 hours, you will get to know that whether your article is getting selected or rejected. Okay, now the first article that you are going to submit, even if it is getting selected, they'll take the article as a contribution. From the second article onwards, only they'll be giving you the money. Okay, so the first article is just like a test whether you are qualifying or not. And if the first article is getting qualified, from the second article that they'll be publishing, they'll give you money. Okay, now in which all format you can withdraw the money, let us see. Another thing they are saying here is that the contents that you are going to publish in your article should be 100% original. It should not be copied from some other place. Okay, now if you don't have a writing skill to write your own, I'll give you some ideas to how to write an article by taking the contents from some other site and modifying it and making it in your own way. Okay, means making it as your specific content. Okay, now before that, what are the various payment options? The payment options are through PayPal, Paytm, Skrill or UPI. Okay, and another thing you have to note here is your article should contain minimum 1500 to 2000 words. Minimum this much of words should be there. Only then they'll be accepting or reviewing the article. Okay, now, in which all areas you can write the articles? Mainly they are accepting articles in the areas entertainment, lifestyle, traveling, business, then nature, technology. These are the main areas they are looking for. Okay, so if you can write an article in this area, then you will, that is your article will get selected very soon. Another thing they are saying here is you can also add pictures or video links in your article, and also you can validate your contents by linking it with Wikipedia. Consider that you are going to write some article and you know that there is a Wikipedia page connected to the same, then you can link that Wikipedia page link in your article. Okay. So the first thing that you have to do after registering is write an article in the given format and submit to them for review. Only if you are getting qualified, you will be considered as a team member for to Article Insider. Only then they'll be accepting your articles further, and they'll be publishing and giving you the payment. Okay. Now, not everyone is having the skills of writing articles by their own. For those people, I'm going to give you a small trick. That is, how can you copy the contents from Google or from Wikipedia or from any other site, and how can you modify this content and you can use it in your article. Okay, so next we are going to see a site which is called Spinboard. So this site, what they do is, it is a free website. You can copy and paste the contents from Wikipedia or from anywhere from Google. They'll modify the contents for you. They will rearrange the contents in the same meaning. They'll write in a different format. Okay, so it is called rewritten text. Okay, so this is the original text which you have pasted. This is the rewritten text which is having the same meaning. Now don't use this exact sentences, just modify it little bit by your own, with your knowledge or with your language skills. Just modify it little bit, then you can use these sentences or this paragraph in your article. Okay, so I'm just giving this trick for those people who cannot write the articles or contents by their own. If you are having those skills, if you are having the writing skills, or if you can write the articles by your own, please don't go for this option. You can write it by your own by just following up the rules for writing. Okay, in order to see the rules, you have to see the format of article here. Very clearly they have given what all things you have to do, what is the format, what is the 10 to 1 listing format, how you have to give the links on of Wikipedia and all, how you have to give the photo, everything they have given. Okay, so this is actually a very, very good website to explore, especially for those people who are interested in earning of part-time income or additional incomes. If you are doing something also, you can try this. So what you have to do is, first you study the site, first you explore what all things are there, what is the format of article, what is the rules they are following, how they are giving the payment, everything. Just read it thoroughly, or only if you think that it is genuine and you can do this job, only then try this. Okay, so that's all about today's video. A lot of people was actually asking for these type of typing jobs and article writing jobs. So here it is. You can explore the site. I'll be giving the link in description. You can see the site, you can read about the site, you can see the articles format, and also you can go to YouTube and you can see some review videos on the same. And if you are thinking that it is genuine, please do apply for it. Please do register to this site and then start writing articles. Okay. So that's all for today's video. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.